Taking off out of Kennedy Meadows on the way to the Sierra Nevada. For real. Like it starts right now. But first, look at these badass hiking socks that Danny just got.
Hell yeah.
Damn. Here we go. There's been a drastic change all of a sudden. Everybody says that Kennedy Meadows is the end of the desert, but it stays kind of deserty still after there for a bit. And we were like 10 miles out from Kennedy Meadows, and you're doing this big climb, and it's a burnt area, and it was hot. You're like, kind of still feel like I'm in the desert. And then you get over this hill, like 8,000 feet, and all of a sudden it's just like, wham! And it looks completely like 150% different. So all of a sudden now it feels like we're out of the desert. It happened really, really fast. And pretty happy about it. We just had a magical mountain moment. We simultaneously hit 10,000 feet for the first time on this trip and saw our first marmot at exactly the same moment. It feels like a good omen. Third day in a row getting rained on. Danny and I are climbing right now, trying to get over Trail Pass, which is 10,500 feet, so we can go down to Horseshoe Meadow and try to hitch a ride into Lone Pine. But we're in kind of a sketchy situation. There's definitely a lot of thunderstorms that are developing right over the top of us. This place looks like it's ready to pop just about any second. So we've got a little bit less than a mile and a half to get to the top of this, and then it's thankfully down the other side. So it came out of nowhere within the last half hour, 45 minutes or so. So the problem with being this high, like 10,000 feet up in the mountains, is it can be blue skies, and then 5 minutes later it can look like this. So wish us luck. Right. There's a sign, Horseshoe Meadow, that's where we're going, and down we go. Okay, that was scary. That was super fucked up. Danny and I thought maybe we'd be good when we got down from the ridge that we were on, and could hear a lot of thunder, and it rained on us when we were in the trees. We thought, you know, we only have a mile or half mile or whatever, and then we'll get to this campground and we'll have some shelter, which was true, but I didn't realize that we were going to have to run across Horseshoe Meadow, and there was lightning going off like probably every 10-15 seconds, and we were running from tree line to tree line, and right in the middle of an open field is not where you want to be at all during a thunderstorm like that. So luckily we got to the tree line, and now we're hiding under the awning of the bathroom here at the Horseshoe Meadow campground parking lot, whatever. But that was scared. That's the most scared I think I've ever been on a backpacking trip before. So we're going to try to dry off and see if somebody here can give us a ride down to Lone Pine, because we're out of here.